Welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to change the gourds or how to change the cocktail you use in fights to heal, for example, or for something else in Wukong game. To do that, firstly we should open the equipment menu. To do that, just click on the escape button. Afterwards, here, as you can see, we have the Trailblazer's Scarlet Gourd. So click on it, and you can change it to the other one. For example, from Trailblazers to the Gold Gourd, for example. And here you will have the list of all gourds you have in your inventory, and just choose the one you want to use using the shortcut. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.